Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, guys. So, sorry, Kinsley, I'm trying to get you on the screen there. We'll start out with our question of the day. And our question of the day today is, do you know the number that you would call if there was an emergency? So think about that. What's the phone number you would call if there was an
911.
emergency? Yes. Can you wait a second till I call on you, Kinsley? Yes, it would be 911. That is what you would call for an emergency. So one of the activities today is you can talk with mom and dad and make a plan just in case there ever was an emergency. We hope there never is, but you just got to be ready just in case. And Kinsley wanted to show you what she made. So our address where we live is really long. And so Kinsley made this little cardboard that has our address on it and our phone numbers just in case there would be an emergency. And if she had to call 911 and they ask her, hey, where do you live? She could tell them because it's wrote on here. And we keep that in a very special spot where Kinsley can reach it, right?
Yeah. And my
Whoa.
sister will get it.
Okay, so it is Tuesday, so we are going to do our letter sound song. And guess what, preschool friends? I'm pretty excited this week. Do you know why I'm excited, Kinsley?
Because we learned all the letters.
We learned all the letters in the alphabet. Every single letter. Is that exciting?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. So, we're going to do the letter sound song that has all the letters in it. But I also wanted to tell you, this week when we do our show and share Zoom, we are going to pretend, or we're going to have a letter party, okay? We can't all be together for the letter party. But what you're going to do is for show and share, you're going to show something that starts with your favorite letter. Like, do you guys remember what my favorite letter is?
W.
W. So I would find something that starts with W, like a whale. Maybe I'd show a whale. And also, Kinsley had the cool idea that maybe we could do something that you would do like you were at a party. So Kinsley wants to make popcorn and eat popcorn while we're doing our Zoom. Maybe you want to wear a party hat, or Kinsley's trying to make me make some cupcakes too. I don't know. We'll see. Make it fun because you worked hard and we learned all the letters in the alphabet, and that's something to be happy about. Okay? All right, let's do our song. And I know you guys can sing along with me. A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, D makes D, E makes E, F makes F, G makes G, 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 H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, K makes K, L makes O, M makes N makes O makes A, P makes P, Q makes Qu, and R makes S makes S, T makes T, U makes V makes V, W makes W, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. That is the end of the song. One more time. A makes A, B makes B, C makes K, D makes D, E makes E, F makes F, G makes G, 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 H makes H, I makes I, J makes J, and K makes K, L makes O, M makes N makes O makes A, P makes P, Q makes Q, R makes S makes S, T makes T, and U makes V makes V, W makes W, X makes X, and Y makes Y, Z makes Z. That is the end of the song. All right, my preschool friends, I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a good day. Bye. Bye. Jessa says bye too.